Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to search and use hashtags on TikTok. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Then tap the Discover icon at the bottom. Now tap the search bar at the top and type in the hashtag you want to search. Then tap on Search. Now select Hashtags. Tap the hashtag when it appears in the results. Here you will see videos that used that hashtag in their caption, making it easy to check out videos about that topic. You can add this hashtag to your favorites, to make them easier to find later as well. You can also tap Join this hashtag to start creating your own TikTok video that will have this hashtag added to the caption automatically. So these are all the things you need to know about search hashtags on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.